So this is my favorite. So we are here today to pronounce a diagram. Everybody say diagram. So the diagram sounds are so interesting when we connect two spellings, okay, and if two spellings make one sound, we say the digraph sound, okay, and if three sounds make one sound, we call it the trigraph sound. So let's practice today the digraph. That's very interesting digraph sound. I want to show you up. So it's on the page, you can see, okay, SH. So it's very interesting because with SH, it creates a new sound. And it's very common in pronunciation. Everybody say, shh. Push a lot of feet outside. Shh. Can you use your hands and do with me? Shh. And remember, it's very long, okay? It's not like shh, no, it is shh. Okay? So you can see this sound in many words, okay? Can you tell me of one word where you can see or you can listen with sh sound? Do you know this? Any word with sh sound? Yes, the money, we say cash. Cash. So you say shh. Okay, use, everybody say k. Okay, and now say ah. Now say cat. Cat. Open your mouth, stretch your mouth. Like that, stretch it. Okay. Pull corner of your lips and say, okay, ah. Now say cut. Now say ah. And everybody say, use your hands and say shh. Okay? Shh. So it's very prolonged sound. So we don't say cow. Okay, sometimes we make it a fish. A fish. Do you like fish? Yes. Yes, I do. Do you like fish? Yes, I do. I like fish. Okay, so I can tell you, okay, do you like ocean? Ocean, the sea? Oh, so water there. The blue water. The blue ocean, my most favorite place. Okay, so can you say with me, ocean? Ocean. Now use this tissue paper, okay, and pick your tissue paper from the top corner, okay, and do with me. Shh. Okay, can you see? Shh. Because I'm pushing lots of air outside, so you are supposed to push. And everybody say pop. Pop. So two sounds like amazing. Now everybody say push. Why tissue paper is really torn out? Push. Push. What's your name? Hey, yeah. All right, my name is Mike. Do you know my name? Yes, I do. Do you know my name?
Yes, I do.
All right. So I need double tissue papers because I'm a bodybuilder. I go to gym. I have energy, so I need to use two tissue papers. All right. Say push. Now everybody say pop. Push a lot of here. Pop. Now say pop. Excuse me. Just put it up. Pop. No, more closer. Pop. Yes, now say shh. Push. Can you do it? Push. That's great. And now we have so many words with sh. Can you tell me? Yes, let's repeat it. Ocean. Now one more word because we are the missionaries. So everybody say mission. You want to use tissue paper. Everybody say mission. It must grow. Mission. Shh. Everybody say mission. Ocean.